Hey, stop overpaying for a fragmented tech stack. Kajabi just launched a 50% discount for the next 12 months. And if you've been juggling 5 different tools to run your business, this is your sign to consolidate. Most creators lose money and time trying to patch together email software, a website builder, and a course host. Kajabi replaces all of that with one unified high-performing system, and now you can get it for half the price. Let's look at the options. The basic plan drops from $179 to just $89 a month. You get 5 products, 1 website, 1 community, 2,500 contacts, and 2 admin users. It is the perfect entry point for your first course launch. Moving up, the growth plan is now $124 a month, down from $249. This is the sweet spot for scaling. You get 25 products, 25,000 contacts, 1 website, 1 community, 11 admin users.
Pro plan is now $249 a month instead of $499 a month. You get unlimited products, 100,000 contacts, 3 websites, 3 communities, 26 admin users. This plan is essential if you're building a custom brand experience at scale. And every single plan now includes Kajabi's full AI suite, Cofounder and Expert Agents, which acts like a virtual team, helping you draft content and build your funnel assets in minutes. This 12-month discount is the best value in the creator economy right now. Click the link in the description below to secure your 50% off. Lock in the savings, migrate your tech, and let's get your business running on one system today.